Yeah. Good morning, guys. Morning. Nag-start na tayo ng ating day. And it's the back to paperwork day. Visa. Hindi ko siya, diba, natin natapos from last time kasi nag-bakasyon yung ating lawyer. But tapusin natin today. Hopefully matapos na siya within this week. My goodness, you guys. And Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hindi ako nag-vlog ng Christmas and ng New Year, but we have a very relaxing and quiet holiday. So, Christmas with family, tapos New Year with friends. Yes, yun yung ating New Year. At holiday. Yun yung holiday natin. But now, back to the New Year, better me. Charis. New Year, New Year. Wala tayong New Year's resolution, guys, kasi mabibreak din naman natin yun. So, huwag tayong mag-New Year resolution.
Wait.
So, tayo ay mag-start ng ating day. Well, nag-start naman na, guys. Nagkausap namin yung lawyer. Pero, tumawag siya. Actually, nasa bed pa kami. So, that's good kasi nga, yun yung lang hinihintay namin. And okay na siya. Okay na siya, guys. I-review na lang ulit namin yung updated na version ng draft. Tapos magbabayad, tapos isasend na, which is hopefully this week kasi para makapag-process na ako ng mga bagay-bagay after this. And maingay yung jug. What time is it, Malab?
11:10.
Yeah. So mamaya na ako. Pero maaga kami nagising, guys, ah. Did you have a good sleep? I went to the toilet twice and you didn't even...
Didn't wake up all night. No.
Really?
No.
You didn't feel me?
Most nights now.
It took me a long time to go to sleep.
I don't remember getting too upset, so it can't take any too long.
No, you were asleep. Like I said, I went to the toilet a couple times because I was struggling to sleep. Pero nag-toilet ako because I went to do my run. Tapos I did drink the whole bottle of water. Plus, then I had a hot chocolate at midnight. So, liquid galore. So, twice ako
Busy racing.
Twice ako nag-toilet. So, si Ton tulog na tulog. But it took me forever to go to sleep. Anyway, mag-ready tayo, guys, ng sarili. What should we do today? Well, that's it. We finish our...
That's the only job you have to do.
Yeah. What time do you want to go to the gym? Now? Later? I want to go now. Habang may energy pa ako.
Go in the evening if you want.
Evening? No, not evening.
Oh, that's where you always go. You never go anywhere at the time.
Yeah, I know, but when I do a bit early, so like it's done.
Now, lots of people are on holiday.
Yeah.
All the kids are on holiday.
Meron din pala ako, guys, parcel, pero open
It
natin.
would be heaving. 17-year-old
Kids.
muscle mats.
So, what time you wanna go? Meron din tayong parcel, guys. I-open natin later. Magbihis muna tayo. But, sneak peek. Dumating siya kahapon. Hindi ko pa siya, guys, na-open kasi nga gusto ko siyang i-open sa inyo. Para makita niyo siya, guys. But, anyway, mag-ready lang ako. Balikan ko soon. Let's do unboxing, guys! Unboxing time. Oh! Guys, pakita ko pala sa inyo yung nakuha naming regalo nung Christmas, right? Christmas. You ready? Galing sa sister-in-law ko. Tada! Diyan. Diba ang ganda? So, bago yan sa bahay natin ngayon, mayroon na ang orasan. Meron na tayong orasan. Yung sister-in-law ko, di ba, yung laging nag-i-stay dito sa bahay pag wala kami ni Tony. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. And sabi niya, So, siguro, feeling ko, nag-ikot yun ng bahay na. Sabi niya, alam ko na yung kulang sa bahay na to. Orasan. So, yun yung binigay niya sa amin nung Christmas, guys. Ang taas naman ito, eh. Pwede ba nating babaan to? We'll see, guys. Hang on, guys. Ayusin ko kayo. Unboxing time. So, dumating to kahapon. Excited akong buksan, guys. Pero hindi ko siya binuksan kasi gusto ko siyang i-unbox sa inyo. Tara! Ready na ba kayo, guys? Yay! Meron tayong bagong bag from Teddy Blake, New York. So, if matagal na kayong nanonood ng vlog ko, guys, Teddy Blake is one of my trusted bags na ginagamit talaga kasi they are luxury but at the same time hindi siya ganun kamahal, mura lang siya. I mean, compared to mga luxury na brand. So, I'll show you guys my new, wait, it's hard pa to get. Since nag-start ako ng YouTube, guys, lagi ko nakasama yung Teddy Blake. At saka yung nakikita niyo ako sa mga parties or like airport outfits, yung mga bags ko is from Teddy Blake's. Like I said, it's a good quality na luxury item. At the same time, it's luxury but not breaking your bank. Like katulad ng mga high-end talaga na bags. So this one is luxury siya but affordable. And masasabi ko, it's because I've been using this for quite some time now. Ilang years ko na itong ginagamit yung Teddy Blake ko ng mga bag. And ang dami ko ng collection ng Teddy Blake. As in ginagamit to talaga siya, guys. Maganda yung quality niya. So, ilalagay ko yung link ng Teddy Blake down in the description box. Lagi naman siya, guys, nasa description box ko yung Teddy Blake. And kung gusto nyo i-check, ilalagay ko here sa screen or down in my description. Like I said, sa lahat ng videos ko, meron akong link ng Teddy Blake sa description box. Alright, are you guys ready? So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng Teddy Blake, so it's Italian-made bag, with an Italian leather din. So, yeah, luxury bag siya, guys. Ooh. So, yung kinuha ko, this time yung kinuha ko, guys, is like a party bag. Yung last Teddy Blake ko na bag is airport bag and I've been using it a lot kasi you can put a lot. I think you guys seen it sa mga videos ko. Like mga recent travel ko. So, yun yung ginamit ko, yung Teddy Blake na Lola? I think it was Lola. I forgot what bag is this, guys. But I'll put it in the screen. Or I can check on my phone kung anong klaseng bag to. To make sure, I'll just put it on the screen na lang. Just in case you want this bag. Ooh, unboxing time! I think I'm gonna like this because I can already tell the size. So it's like I have one Teddy Blake bag as well na I use a lot every time I go to like night outs kasi maganda yung structure niya at saka hindi siya ganun kalaki. It wasn't too big, so it was perfect for night out. But I want another one na yung ibang kulay naman. So this time I choose this. Like I said, I'll put the screen. Anong name nitong bag? Oh my God. It's actually really nice. I can already see. Ang ganda ng leather. So this is 100% Italian leather, guys. And you guys ready? What's the color of the year this year? Yun yung chinuse ko, guys. Pero I think nasa website is brown. Yun nakalagay. Pero darker siya na brown. Ay! Ang ganda niya! See? Aww. So, meron na tayong bag for night out. Ang ganda niya, guys. Promise, ang ganda. Oh, golden yung hardware. Oh, it's really nice. So, I have black one that I use a lot. Like I said, like dinner out, yung mga going out na parties, yun yung ginagamit ko. But now we have another one. So, it's very spacious. Kahit na yung maliit lang yung mukha siyang maliit pero mukhang madami kang malalagay, guys. I'll show you guys what's inside. Oh my god, ang ganda. Sweet din yung loob niya. See? Ay, ang ganda, sis. I want to know ano ang tawag sa bag na to. Oh, which one is... Oh, ang ganda din ng bag. I love the color, guys. Color of the year. Mocha mousse. Pero I think yung nakalagay, like I said, yung nakalagay sa website is brown lang siya. Sarment. Ano ba to, guys? Margaret Brown? But, yeah. Anyway, I'll just put it here na lang yung complete niya. In case you want this bag as well. Madami silang colors. But, this one is the color of the year. And I don't have this color in my bag collection. So, I choose this one. And it looks nice. Actually, I was towards yung red din because I think it was like a darker red. So, it was look really nice as well. But, I was like thinking if it is the brown or red. But, you know guys, I like brown. Yung mga ganitong color. So, sabi ko ito na lang. And, ang ganda ng hardware. You see, it's gold. Yan. See? And perfect yung size niya. Let's try it. See? Perfect size. So, like I said guys, I'm gonna put all the link down in the description box. Or I'll show you guys the close up. Ayan. See? Very nice. And maybe I have like at least how many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4. Basta madami na guys. Siguro 6 bags from Teddy Blake. So, ito yung pinaka-latest natin. And yung recent ko is yung, like I said, yung travel bag. And as in, use yung Lola bag. I used it a lot nung mga travel days ko. So, ngayon, party bag naman yung pinili natin. It looks really nice. Ang ganda ng quality. Ta-da! Good size ang aking.
Very cute.
Cute nga, oh.
Chocolate brown.
The color of the year, na?
Is it? Oh well, I'm going to cancel the year for me then.
Cancel the year for you. It's brown.
Chocolate brown.
Oh gosh.
Oh, it's a nice bag.
It is a party bag, no? It looks very elegant, that bag. Like when you go out, alang. Kasi it's gold chain. Okay, bye.
Very nice.
Yes. So, makikita nyo to guys sa mga next na gala. Yung ating bag. Anyway, that's our unbox today. And mag-lunch tayo soon. Ayaw ni Tony. Gusto kong pumunta ng gym na guys. Pero si Tony hindi pa siya ready. So, mamaya na lang daw tayo mag-gym. Okay guys. We are running to the... Where are we going, baby? Shop. To get some small shop lang. I was just gonna get a number.
They never have to bring.
So we're going to big shop. I haven't looked at my situation.
Well, that's up to you. To be organised.
Because we thought we're just getting a bread.
The people like you always assume nothing will go anything wrong.
What's wrong with that? We were just going to get the bread. Then if you go to the big shop, it's more time you're taking. Up to you. Okay guys. Nakabalik na tayo. Meron na tayong bread. Kasi yung mga bread namin tagal na dito. Tagal kaya namin hindi pumunta ng shop guys. Bumili din ako ng eggs. Ayan, eggs. Kasi kailangan natin ng eggs sa buhay natin. Ngayon, puro tayo diet na. Corn. May magazine si Tony. Tsaka yung lamb na lang. Para sa dinner niya. Para hindi na kami pumunta ng big shop. Doon na lang kami sa maliit lang na shop. And meron kaming apple cider vinegar. Mag-start tayo ng gamitin to. Anyway. Make lunch. Gawa ko lunch, guys. Wait. Lunch time. Lunch time. Husband's lunch. Ano na tawag guys? Oh, promise guys, pumunta na ng mag-ehersisyo. Kasama ko lang. Parang wala siyang gana pumuntang mag-ehersisyo. Actually, the last time we went to the shop, babe, is last year.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah, the 30th of December. I haven't been to the shop for a while. Which is good. But because I went to the Asian shop, guys. So may mga pagkain ako, like mga isda akong kinip sa freezer, ganyan. Tapos may mga meat pa naman tira. So may mga pagkain. Pero ngayon si Tony wala na siyang pagkain, guys. Naubos na kagabi. So kaya bumili ako ng lamb. Pero ako, guys, meron pa akong dinner. Nagluto ako ng munggo kagabi. Tapos meron din akong isda. So yun yung dinner ko. Would you like to drink, babe? So luto na yung munggo ko na may alugbate and sitaw. Pero yung isda. Tapos ano na lang. Yung isda na lang yung piprituhin ko mamaya. Pipirito ko lang yung isda. That's it. Tapos ito gawa ko siya ng ibang dinner. Siguro i-cram ko yung lamb. Para maiba naman yung lamb niya. Okay, here you go. Magtimpla ko ng coffee ko. Parang gusto kong mag-boil ng egg for lunch. Boiled egg lang. Yeah. Protein. Kailangan natin yan. Kasi mag-gym tayo. Mag-boil ako ng egg, guys. For lunch. And, ayan na yung ating lunch. Itlog. Merong pang balat. Ayan. Itlog at saka kape. Kain tayo, guys. Let's go na, guys. Andito na yung aking towels, yung aking cod, and nakasapatos na tayo. Si Tony din. Towel, cod. Ano pang meron ko yun?
20 degrees.
Meron kang tubig? Do you have water?
I don't.
Sabi ko na sa'yo.
I do.
On the, my water bottle.
Yeah.
You need AirPods, not? We're very quick anyway. Start lang naman tayo, guys. Hindi tayo magtatagal doon. Kailangan ko lang ng arm exercise. Kasi yung treadmill, meron naman kami dito sa bahay, guys. Pwede naman ako mag-treadmill sa bahay. Actually, sa bahay ako nag-treadmill kahapon. Yes? The what? Backpack? Hala siya, naganap ng backpack ng buo. Do you need backpack? Oh, your AirPods. Yeah, it's on the, yeah. Actually, gusto kong kunin yung ko. Gusto kong dalhin yung aking, Lululemon na bag. Wait lang, hanapin ko. Ay! Okay ka lang? Do you need, your things in your belongings?
I need for what?
Anything to put on my bag.
I might. Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Don't forget water.
Yeah.
Ayun, hi guys. Lalagay ko yung aking phone dito at saka gamit sa akin.
It's going to be high intensities.
Okay, aking card.
I need a haircut and a shave.
Oh, muntik na magkasya yung water ko sa aking Lululemon na bag. Actually, kasya naman. You guys ready for this? Ta-da! Halfway out. Ito yung maliit na Lululemon. Actually, kasya. Kailangan ko lang ayusin. Oh.
That is probably.
Kasya na siya. Ayan. Lumalabas lang yung ulo konti. Kasya na.
Cleaned out sometime in the next 8 or 9 months.
Ayan. So, ilagay ko lang yung bag ko para hindi ko mawala yung mga kailangan ko ba. Yung cellphone din lagay ko. Mamaya. Let's go! Ay, nag-buckle ako pero hindi ako nag-seatbelt. Kanina pa ako salita ng salita guys. Hindi ko pala na vlog. Sabi ko, bakit traffic? Wala namang school. Anyway, it's a nice day today. Parang ganda, tingnan yung ganda ng clouds, ang ganda ng weather. What's the temperature, Bobby?
It was 21 at home.
Oh, outside, 21. That's really nice.
The proper temperature.
A nice temperature. I can see it, guys. I can see the fitness.
Oh, we're not going to be able to go.
Why not?
There's no car parks.
Oh, really? That
Yeah,
one.
there's one.
This one. That one. Snap. Oh, it's a shopping center kasi guys.
Well, we don't usually come in the daytime.
Yeah.
Which is probably clever.
Let's go. Okay, done. Tomorrow again. Hindi ko masyadong pinush guys, pero arm and leg.
Oh God,
Tayo
I left
ngayon.
the water bottle behind.
Did you? Where did you
That
left
was
it?
just the water.
It's nothing anyway, it's just
Okay, just one.
I did the Stairmasters for 50 minutes. Ang
50
sakit!
How fast are we going?
Ow!
Doesn't
Is it
matter,
4? Is it 4 or 5?
Yeah.
Masakit.
Yeah, that one. I'm going to start doing that one more as well.
That one is like, even you don't do your treadmill, but that one's really cranking up your pulse. My pulse was like 172.
Jesus, was it?
Yeah.
I couldn't get mine above 122. I didn't try, but
So, the steps, the stairs master. Try that one. My goodness,
oh,
it
that'll
was.
get it up. I mean, I'm just not going to go from. I haven't had a pulse above what 110 for 18 months.
Like for yeah, I did it for 15 minutes and that's really really good workout guys kasi burn nyo talaga yung mga kailangan ko kasi ng leg work muna ngayon. Usually yung leg at saka yung arm ko, yung lumalaki kasi sa akin talaga na start is yung hita ko guys. Ewan ko ba bakit yung hita ko. Basta hita ko yung lumalaki talaga. Bless you. So hita at saka arm yung ginawa natin today, which is good. So hot now. Pero, oh my God, I think, hindi ako nakapag-film masyado guys kasi ang dami tao dun. Pero, I like it now. Now it's really usable na yung gym because it's big.
Yeah, it's a full gym now.
Yeah, hindi na siya cramped na just like isang studio lang. Ano, alam niyo yun? Ngayon at least may dalawa na siya. So malaki na siya. Madami ng options. So spread na yung tao, hindi na closed. Kasi dati na ano ako parang dami kong katabi sis. Ngayon medyo lumaki na siya. So that's good. Pero pag sinipag ako mamaya, mag-treadmill pa din ako. Pag sinipag ako guys.
I feel crying.
Traffic na.
Oh,
Inat, but that's our
there's
goal
a car
for
on the way to
today.
the station on the other side that stops.
Nagawa natin yung goal natin today. Ginawa natin yung trabaho natin today. Tapos yung exercise.
Here we go now.
So magluluto na tayo guys.
Sure.
Hindi pa naman ako gutom. So that's okay lang. Kumain ako dalawang itlog kanina, di ba? Tsaka yung coffee shake. Hindi ako nagutom. Hanggang ngayon medyo full pa din ako. Pero meron na kasi akong dinner guys. So magluto lang ako ng isda. Tapos yung dinner ni Don. But uwi na tayo. Okay, cooking dinner guys. Yung kay Tony is corn lang at saka carrots. Yung magprito ako ng isda. Dami palang mali guys nung visa. Ngayon si Tony notice ng iba. So, magsusulat siya ng mga mali na kinorek niya. Nandyan siya. Magluto ko din ah.
I think I might have to go. I had a box of tags.
Yeah, you have. It's not in the office room or in here. Actually, I'll have a look. Dinner yan ni Tony, guys. Niloloko ko siya. Yung dinner niya. Ito yung may natira kaming baboy kahapon na dinner namin. Yan yung natira. May sasawan ako, may isda. And yung aking munggo. Wala akong rice. Munggo lang. Lipat ko dito. Maliit lang naman yung natirang munggo, guys. So, patay na ba lahat? Patay naman na lahat. Okay. Ito na yung aking munggo na mayroong alugbati at saka sitaw. Ayan. Yan lang yung ating dana. Yan yung munggo. Isda. Kain tayo. Kain tayo guys. Yun lang yung aking dana. I forgot to close my vlog.
Oh. Well, you better close it then.
Close the vlog. Good night, people. Time check. What time check, baby?
It's only 12:30.
Oh, wow.
It's early. We've got hours to go.
Mag-review ako guys ng ginagawa ng inaaral ko. So, si Tony, babasa din siya. So, yun lang guys for today. See you guys. Hindi ko alam. See you guys soon.
Good night, anybody who's listening.
Good night. Good night.